Mundad, making the mundane fun.
Hi and welcome back. So today I'm going to show you a trick. So all the rubber seals you've got on your windows here, in the winter, especially when you're not using your window, sometimes this can stick and the window can actually stick to rubber and you can actually damage your electric windows, and there's an easy fix to stop that from happening and to kind of lubricate the system, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so you're going to need some silicone spray. That's what we're going to use to lubricate the rubber seals on the windows. You're going to need one of these just to help kind of work in that silicone. After we've finished, we're going to need some rubber gloves just to protect your hands while you're doing it. And then once we've finished doing the silicone spray, we're going to clean the window, just remove any residual silicone using window and glass cleaning spray and some kitchen towel. Okay, so first thing you need to do is roll your window down in your car and then put your rubber gloves on. Use your silicone spray, give it a bit of a shake. I'll show you what we're going to do. So we're just going to spray on the rubber there. And also up here as well, and all the way down there. You can also spray your rubber seals as well on here to give them a bit of a clean and to protect them. So next thing we're going to do is just get your here and just rub that in to your seals and everything. Clean the rubber. It's the best way to clean it, really. It's a good job to do this really after you've had your car washed, or you washed your car. And then you can also clean your rubber up on here as well. It just makes it to look a lot nicer, a lot cleaner and newer. And I'm just going to spray the outside of this bit here. And if you've got any other rubber bits on your car, you can always just give them a bit of a spray as well and clean them down using your rubber thing here to kind of get all that silicone into the rubber, make it look nice and clean. And it also, I suppose, it would protect the rubber as well and keep it lubricated. Clean that bit down there. If you really wanted to as well, you could also, inside the door where the rubber seal is here, you could actually spray this down too, and this would protect the rubber inside the door here as well. And it's something you could do maybe after every car wash or every few months or something, and then just wipe that down. And again, it's just going to clean your rubber and keep it all nice and lubricated, make it look new. So the next thing we need to do is, once we've done that, is we need to roll the window back up and then we need to clean the window. Okay, you will probably get some silicone on the glass itself as well, so to ensure that you can, that it's not going to cause a stain on it, the best thing to do is just clean your glass down using your glass cleaner when you're finished, and just use kitchen towel to just clean your window. And it's a job you can do just like maybe every few months, or prepare the car for winter especially as well. You don't want to get into winter and then have to roll your window down and realise that it's actually broken your mechanism. It has actually done it on one of my cars once, actually, unfortunately, that the window stuck to the rubber and it actually bent the window mechanism in the door, so I had to get that fixed. So this is just the easiest way to just prevent that from happening, is just to lubricate those seals before winter, or every few months, or every time you've washed your car. There you go, and job done. Thanks for watching, Mum, Dad. Please like, subscribe and share, and see you again soon in the next one.